everybody, it's Jeremy with Echo Orange. So today we would like to bring you our FAQs. We've been getting a lot of questions and we'd like to answer those for you today. Alright, on to question number 8. Does this work on stubborn patio umbrella mildew and stains? If so, at what concentration? Well, we recommend that you start at a 10-to-1 ratio. Go big at 5-to-1 if the stain is super stubborn. Use it with an abrasive of some sort that's not colored. Something that's like this. This is a white melamine sponge that will come in your kit. But you want to make sure that you have one that is not colored just in case the color bleeds. You don't want to get it on your umbrella. When you get a stain or mildew on the canvas that's cooked in by the sun for a long time, it can be a beast to remove. So the struggle is real. Happy cleaning. we hope that you're able to get that off. Okay guys, well that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed it and it was informative for you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe below and don't forget to leave us your email address on the website so that we can send you updates for current products, tips, tricks, new upcoming products. You'll be part of our VIP club. You'll get the first information of any of our new products coming out. You'll be awarded exclusive offers. And if you didn't like the video, give us a thumbs down, but please comment below and let us know what we did wrong or what you didn't like so that we can improve for our next videos. So, happy cleaning and take care. Thanks.